field. So this is the frontal eye field, and the frontal eye field supplies the parapontine reticular formation of the opposite side, and that supplies the sixth nerve, and that again goes back to the opposite side third nerve, and then the third nerve, from there it supplies the respective muscles, that is the medial rectus muscle. So let me just write that for you. So the third nerve supplies the medial rectus muscle of the right side, and the sixth nerve supplies the lateral rectus muscles of the left side. And so these are the conjugate muscles responsible for the conjugate gaze movements. That means whenever we tend to look to the left, our left eye must abduct, and in the same time our right eye must adduct. So that is the conjugate gaze movements, and that is how our brain is wired. So talking about the medial longitudinal fasciculus, so this is the right medial longitudinal fasciculus, because whichever third nerve it supplies, the medial longitudinal fasciculus belongs to the same side. That means in this case it is supplying the third nerve of the right side, so this is the right-sided medial longitudinal fasciculus. So let's see. So whenever there is damage in the medial longitudinal fasciculus, it could result from any sorts of injury, any sorts of tumor, and sometimes demyelinating conditions like multiple sclerosis as well. So whenever there is damage in this, so there will be no any supply to the third nerve of the right side. So that means the right-sided medial rectus muscle cannot function. So there is a right eye adduction defect, and also there is also a left eye abduction nystagmus. So let me explain you regarding that. So I have drawn a picture of that as well. So the right eye won't be able to move medially whenever there is an adduction defect, and there is abduction nystagmus in left eye. That means the eye undergoes nystagmus whenever that is in abducted position. This means, I had talked to you about the conjugate gaze movements. That means whenever we tend to look towards the left, our left eye must abduct and our right eye must adduct for us to able to do that. So that is called as the conjugate gaze movements, and that is what occurs normally. But in this case, whenever we tend to look towards the left, our right eye